All right, guys, quick video. If you guys own a 95 240SX S14, chances are you've ran into the problem of where your driver's side window does not roll down. It just will not do anything anymore. And I'm going to show you guys a cheap and common problem that happens to everything. Usually, 90% of the time, it is not your window switch and it is not your window motor. And those, to buy OEM window switches are super expensive, especially for the 95, because they're 1 year after 95, they switched up. And window motors are obviously super hard to find too, and pricey as well. But this is a free fix, and all you need is two things. So the main thing you'll need is a solder gun and some solder. Easy peasy, and you'll just need some time. It'll only take about 5 to 10 minutes. Honestly, it takes longer for the solder gun to heat up than it takes to do this. But first step, we're gonna remove the door panel. And do not mind my car. I know it's in shambles right now, but literally I did this a couple weeks ago to my car and it worked. And I did it yesterday to my buddy's S14 and it worked flawlessly. He had no faith in me. I had complete faith. So I'll show you guys this really quick and take my word for it. This should fix your issue. So let's take this door panel off. All right, here's underneath the door. All you need to look for is this relay right here. You can see mine's kind of beat up. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get into, but it's 2 bolts. We're gonna take those out really fast. All right, got the relay out. This is what you're looking for. Mine's a little beat up, but it does the job. That's all that matters. We're gonna pop this little cover off like it's been popped off once already. All right, the first time you do it, it's gonna be a little more pain in the ass than mine, considering it's bone stock, I guess. All right, we pop that off. Usually with the bone stock one, you get a pair of pliers. You see in there, you grab the circuit board by the corner a little bit and you pull it on out. Easy peasy. Now, mine's already been fixed, so hear me that. But all these little circuits, you're gonna look at all of them. There's gonna be some. You see the ones that I have a little bigger on here are the ones I fixed. But there's gonna be some with cracks if your window does not work. Like you'll see a crack around it. Any that looks a little jank, you're just gonna fix them. You're gonna resolder them, put it back in, and your window works. I mean, literally, you look at it closely. My camera won't focus that good probably. Oh, it's focusing pretty good. But like, I fixed this one. I fixed this one over here, but there'll be like cracks. You can clearly see it if you look closely, and that will fix the problem. Like you just resolder it, put it back together, and that's it. It's not just this one or this one. Just look at all of them, and you will see the cracks, and that will fix your issue. That's how simple this is. I swear to God, yesterday I did it to Caleb's S14. It took 5 minutes, okay? Door panel, pop this thing out. It took longer for me to pop his plastic off than it did to resolder it pretty much. And we soldered it, and we missed one the first time. Window would roll up, or I mean, window would roll down, but wouldn't roll up. We went back and looked at it, and there was like 2 or 3 more that were cracked that we couldn't really tell at first until we looked closer. But yeah, just look closely at it, and you could easily tell which ones are cracked. Resolder, call it good. Easy as that. So we're gonna put this thing back together now. Act like I resoldered it. I had the solder gun out, but you guys resolder it in the video and you put it back together and your window works. And yes, I literally pulled out my good working one to show you guys this video, because I know you can find this stuff on forums and stuff, but since some of the forums are going down, my door is closing. Since some of the forums are going down and stuff, it's kind of hard to find some of this information. And I learned about this a long time ago, and it's worked for me. So this is a 3rd or 4th time I've used this method, but this is literally the cheapest and easiest way. Obviously, there is a chance, there's still a chance that your window motor or your window switch is bad, but this most likely is your problem if it's a 95 S14. For some reason, it's a common issue. And like I said earlier, 95 is a 1 year model, and then 96, 97, 98 are all a different style. So you put it all back together, your window works, easy peasy. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.